Welcome to the Ganz CORTROL training series. In this video, we will provide an overview of the Ganz CORTROL installation packages. The first of the component installation packages is the Ganz CORTROL client. This installation package can install the CORTROL client application. The client is capable of connecting to an unlimited number of CORTROL Premier and/or global servers, but only one instance of Prime. There are no additional component installations contained within the client installation package. The client can be installed by virtually anyone and does not require a license in order to be installed. The second of the component installation packages is the Ganz CORTROL Management Console. This installation package can install the CORTROL Management Console. The Management Console is capable of locally or remotely connecting to any CORTROL Prime, Premier, or global server, but only one at a time. The Management Console should only be installed for use by a CORTROL administration team member. The Management Console installation package includes the optional component of the CORTROL client application. By including the client application within the Management Console installation package, both may be installed on the host PC at the same time as required. The Management Console does not require a license in order to be installed. The first of the server installation packages is the Ganz CORTROL Premier Suite. The CORTROL Premier Suite allows for installation of either the complimentary Prime server or the professional level Premier server. The complimentary Prime server offers single server video recording and playback of up to 16 cameras. The professional level Premier server offers a single server suite with full feature functionality on par with industry expectations. Included in the Premier Suite installation package is the required component of the Management Console and the optional component of the client application. While the installation of CORTROL Prime generates a free license, the installation of CORTROL Premier requires the purchase of a license. The second server installation package is the Ganz CORTROL Global Server. The Global Server acts as a central management and licensing server. As a central management server, Global manages resources for recording servers, failover nodes, IP devices, user profiles and their credentials, as well as applicable channel licenses. Included in the Global Server installation package is the required component of the Management Console, the optional component of the client application, but not the recording server. The Ganz CORTROL Global installation is considered a central management server and requires the purchase of a license prior to installation. The third installation package is the Ganz CORTROL Recorder Server. The CORTROL Recorder Server may be configured for recording, failover, or mirroring of a global central management server. When deployed as a recording server, the recorder may be either local or remote to a global licensing server. When deployed as a failover server, the recorder must be local to the primary recorder server. When deployed as a mirroring server, the recorder must be local to the global licensing server. Included in the recording server installation package is the required component of the Management Console and the optional component of the client application. The CORTROL Recorder installation itself does not require a license prior to installation. 2 of the 5 installation packages, the client application and the Premier Suite, can be downloaded from GansSecurity.com. Navigate to www.GansSecurity.com, select the drop-down menu Support, select the Resource Center, then select Software. The software pages contain links to previous as well as the latest versions of the software. Note the availability of the CORTROL Client and CORTROL Premier Suite in both 32-bit and 64-bit packages. All 5 of the CORTROL installation packages are offered in both 32-bit and 64-bit. The installation packages for the Management Console, the Global Server, and the Recorder Server cannot be downloaded from the Ganz Security website. To obtain a download link for the installation package of the Management Console and/or the Recorder Server, please send an email to support@cbcamerica.com. The global server installation package is only available to Ganz CORTROL technology partners. As part of the core feature set, virtual environment support is built into all 5 CORTROL installation packages. There is no need for any additional licensing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Ganz by emailing support@cbcamerica.com or calling 919-230-8700, and a CORTROL specialist will be happy to assist.